Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. If you like the content I'm putting out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you like this video. Hey everybody, I kind of wanted to go over what you can fit into the Shaw Concepts PCP plate carrier pack. Now, if you remember from my initial review, I got their Tegris little pocket sleeve thing for the tool section. And what I was most interested in is what could I fit in here? And so somebody commented, because I mentioned a longsword. Hate to break it to you, I don't own an actual longsword. But what I do own is a Hebrew hammer, aka the TS12 from IWI. This fits in there. This is a 12 gauge shotgun with, I believe, an 18-inch barrel in this bullpup configuration for when you have to absolutely put down a Tyrannosaurus Rex or a Transformer. You got a Decepticon on your tail, this guy will put him right down. So, my personal TS12, I have this guy set up for short range. So I have Taylor flip-up iron sights. You've got two different, you've got a little teeny tiny peep sight and a big one. I leave it on the big one. I've got like the HK rounded post on the front, has iridium on it, so it glows in the dark. And yeah, this guy is pretty much it. I think it holds 15. There's 3 5-round tubes if you're putting 2 3/4 inch shotgun shells, these bad boys, into it. Then there's a staging area in here. And then there's the chamber. So you really have 16 plus 1 2 3/4 inch shotgun shells in this bad boy. The way you change between your tubes is there's a little lever you press right here. You press this and it lets you rotate your tubes. You hear that click in? That means it's locked in, ready to go, ready to feed rounds. So you can put slugs in one tube, birdshot in another tube, buckshot in another tube. You want to put them all buckshot, all slugs, all the time. It's up to you. Dealer's choice. Also, it will take 3-inch shells, but that brings the capacity for each tube down to 4. So then you would have 4 plus 1 in the staging area, or so you'd have 12 plus 1 in the staging area plus 1 in the pipe. Would be 13 plus 1 for 3-inch shells. I will say that unless you're going for some big game or something like that, this guy is going to stomp you. I mean, you want to have like a really tight in the pocket when you're shooting. I zeroed these with slugs, and I brought buckshot the day I did it, and by the time I had this zeroed to, I think, 25 yards, I was done shooting it. I didn't shoot any of the buckshot. I have on subsequent trips shot buckshot at paper targets and just completely ruined them. So it is fun to shoot. I have it set up. It has native swivel spots for your slings. I added a BCM M-lock swivel slot for a sling up here. I keep mine pretty low profile. I also did add this little piece of pick rail for adding a light or something, but I haven't taken this guy out in the bush or anything. This was going to be my bear gun, but then I got the 460. I like 12 gauges for bear guns, but they're just big and bulky. Now that I can fit it into, let's see how well I can re-put it in. I was able to take it out all right, can I put it back in the PCP without taking it off? Oh, look at that. So I don't have my plate carrier on, but if I had my plate carrier on, backpack, I've got AR, sidearm, breaching tool. What else do you think I could put in here? I mean, other people have done bolt cutters. This is my favorite. Got the old Hebrew hammer back here. What do you put in your PCP? What tools do you put in there? Breaching tools? Master key? Leave a comment and let me know how you use your PCP. What do you want to put in there? What do you want to see put in there? And if you like it, like, comment, and subscribe.